how to use the masculine singular demonstrative pronouns and how to form questions. Are you ready? Let's start. هذا, which means this. Let's repeat. هذا, which means this. هذا is used for masculine noun. Let's see some examples. هذا بيت. هذا means this. بيت, a house. هذا بيت means this is a house. The next one. هذا باب. هذا means this. باب means a door. هذا باب. This is a door. The next one. هذا مسجد. This is a mosque. Let's repeat. هذا مسجد. This is a mosque. The next one. هذا كتاب. This is a book. Let's repeat. هذا كتاب. This is a book. The next one. هذا مفتاح. This is a key. هذا مفتاح. This is a key. The next one. هذا قلم. This is a pen. Let's repeat. هذا قلم. This is a pen. The next one. هذا مكتب. This is a desk. Let's repeat. هذا مكتب. This is a desk. The next one. هذا سرير. This is a bed. Let's repeat. هذا سرير. This is a bed. Now let's see how to form a questionnaire using the pronoun هذا. ما هذا. When we ask someone about anything, we use ما هذا. What is this? Let's repeat. ما هذا. What is this? هذا باب. This is a door. هذا باب. This is a door. The next one. ما هذا. What is this? هذا بيت. This is a house. The next one. ما هذا. What is this? هذا قلم. This is a pen. Now this is the time to concentrate your minds on how to form a question. Is this using the pronoun هذا? أهذا? Is this? And we reply نعم, yes, or لا, no. So let's start with new questions. أهذا مفتاح? Let's repeat. أهذا مفتاح? Is this a key? Let's repeat. أهذا مفتاح? Is this a key? The answer is لا, هذا قلم. No, this is a pen. Let's repeat. لا, هذا قلم. No, this is a pen. The next one. أهذا بيت? Is this a house? Let's repeat. أهذا بيت? Is this a house? نعم, هذا بيت. Yes, this is a house. نعم, هذا بيت. Yes, this is a house.